Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Now, this won't be the most exciting video that we've ever done, but today we're going to be talking about a Scotchbrite wand. And as you can see, it's just held on to the end of a shaft. It's a bunch of Scotchbrite. It's circular. They're cut in little pieces. It's great for getting into hard-to-reach areas that you need to clean. And we're going to talk about some of those. So stay tuned while we have some more fun and tell you a little bit more about how to make your own Scotchbrite wand. So stay tuned for the action.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now there's a number of ways you can make a Scotchbrite wand. People have glued pool noodles to a shaft with contact cement and then glued the Scotchbrite around it. Now when you have it like that, if you can get it through the lightning holes in your wing, you can scrub the floor and the roof of your wing panels, get them all clean, wash them out, coat them. But mainly what you use the wand for, it's for going into the spar and removing the surface corrosion from the inside of the spar. Now you'd never get this up into the wing root area, but as you can see on that shaft, you can reach fairly far into the wing and scrub all the corrosion off of it. Then you're going to want to have some compressed air to blow the dust out. Please don't breathe it because it is aluminum. And a second thing is you can go in and you can clean all the dust out with a wet rag by just wiping it around the wand and ramming it like a board through a cannon. So anyway, the Scotchbrite wheel is kind of nice to have for keeping our airplane clean. It's not too aggressive. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day flying your now much cleaner Grumman. Again, thanks for watching. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the newest member of our family, unnamed yet, but this cute little 5-week-old kitten is now a new member of the family, and I'm going to have to warn you, she is just filled with adorableness. She is so cute. When she went to the vet, they all oohed and awed over, and there's my hand for reference on what size the kitten is. So stay tuned for some more film. We'll be having this kitten appear as she grows up and becomes a bigger part of the family. Thank you.